Step inside a home where elegance meets comfort, where old-world charm blends seamlessly with modern living. From antique French sconces to performance fabrics made for real life, this is timeless design with a personal touch. Eleanor Cummings is a highly regarded interior designer based in Houston, Texas, known for her full-service design firm. Her work, as you see in this design, is characterized by a blend of classic and contemporary elements, resulting in sophisticated and comfortable spaces. This home showcases her ability to create homes that feel both grand and intimately livable, perfectly suiting the area's upscale residential character. One notable project in this home, which features her design expertise, involved working on a new build with a French theme. For this chateau house, Eleanor Cummings and her team ensured the spaces were elegant yet fresh, incorporating elements like moldings, geometric patterned floors, and a light palette. In this particular residence, Eleanor Cummings played a crucial role in the selection of finishes and furnishings. The formal dining room, for instance, featured reclaimed limestone floors from a local Houston importer, Chateau Domaine, grounding the space with a sense of history. Materials like performance fabrics were prioritized for practicality without compromising on style. They paid close attention to functionality, making sure the home could withstand the activity of a young family while maintaining a refined aesthetic. Her design included antique French sconces and chandeliers, further enhancing the home's European ambience. The consistent use of a soft, warm white plaster throughout the house, meticulously applied by Segredo finishes, created a timeless backdrop that elevated the architecture and allowed the curated art and furnishings to shine.